In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change sender's email in Mailchimp. First, go to Mailchimp and log in to your account. Make sure you are signing into the correct account where your campaign is saved, especially if you manage more than one audience or workspace. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your main dashboard, where you can access your campaigns and account tools. Next, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Campaigns. This is where Mailchimp stores the email campaigns you've created, including drafts, scheduled emails, and sent campaigns. After that, select all campaigns so you can view the full list. This makes it easier to find the specific email you want to update. Now, locate your draft campaign and click Edit. It's important that the campaign is still in draft mode, because that allows you to make changes before sending it out. If you have several campaigns with similar names, take an extra second to confirm you are opening the correct one. That small check can help you avoid editing the wrong email by mistake. Once you are inside the campaign editor, you will see the setup checklist. In that checklist, find the From section and click Edit From. This is the area that controls the sender details your recipients will see when the email arrives in their inbox. Updating this information is useful if you want the message to come from a different team member, a different department, or a more recognizable brand identity. After opening the From settings, type your new sender name and your new sender email address. Be careful here and make sure the email address is entered correctly, since even a small typo can affect deliverability or cause confusion for subscribers. It's also a good idea to use a sender name that your audience will immediately recognize, because that can help improve trust and open rates. When everything looks correct, click Save. That will apply your new sender information to the campaign. Before you leave the editor, it's a smart idea to quickly review the updated details to make sure the change was saved properly and that everything appears exactly the way you want. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.